In today's video, we're diving into the surprising benefits of papaya leaves, a powerhouse of nutrients often overlooked. We'll explore how these leaves can boost your health, from enhancing digestion to supporting immune function. Understanding the health benefits of papaya leaves is essential, as they offer natural remedies that can improve your well-being. So stick around as we uncover the incredible properties of this tropical treasure and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Papaya leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They are particularly rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes skin health. Additionally, papaya leaves contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. Other vital nutrients include vitamin A and various B vitamins, all contributing to overall health by supporting digestion, enhancing energy levels, and promoting cellular repair. Incorporating these leaves into your diet can be incredibly beneficial. Papaya leaves are renowned for their ability to support digestive health, primarily due to the presence of enzymes like papain. This powerful enzyme helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Additionally, papaya leaves can alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. Incorporating papaya leaves into your diet can enhance gut health and ensure your digestive system functions smoothly and efficiently. Papaya leaves are packed with antioxidants that play a crucial role in enhancing immune function. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Studies have shown that the compounds in papaya leaves can stimulate the production of immune cells, providing a natural defense against infections. By incorporating papaya leaves into your diet, you can give your immune system a powerful boost and promote better health year-round. Papaya leaves contain powerful compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. These natural anti-inflammatory properties can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis or asthma. By lowering inflammation, papaya leaves can alleviate pain and discomfort, leading to improved overall health and well-being. Incorporating these leaves into your diet may not only enhance your quality of life, but also support long-term health by combating inflammation-related issues. Research suggests that papaya leaves may have potential in cancer prevention, with studies indicating they can inhibit cancer cell growth. The high levels of antioxidants found in papaya leaves play a crucial role in this process by neutralizing free radicals that can lead to cancer development. These findings highlight the importance of incorporating natural cancer-fighting foods into your diet. Papaya leaves have long been used in traditional skincare remedies due to their numerous benefits for skin health. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, these leaves can help promote a radiant complexion and combat signs of aging. They are particularly effective in treating skin conditions like acne, as their anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and irritation. Incorporating papaya leaves into your skincare routine may enhance your skin's overall health and appearance, giving you that natural glow. Studies suggest that papaya leaves may assist in regulating blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to diabetes management. The compounds found in these leaves can improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. Emphasizing natural remedies for diabetes management is essential, as they can complement traditional treatments. However, it's crucial to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice before incorporating papaya leaves into your routine, ensuring a safe and effective approach to managing diabetes. Papaya leaves are packed with nutrients that can significantly strengthen hair and promote healthy growth. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, these leaves nourish the scalp and improve blood circulation, which is essential for hair vitality. Traditionally, papaya leaves have been used in hair care remedies to combat dandruff and enhance shine. If you're looking for natural solutions for hair growth, consider trying papaya leaves as part of your hair care routine for impressive results. Papaya leaves play a vital role in detoxifying the body, particularly in supporting liver health. Rich in antioxidants and enzymes, these leaves can help flush out toxins and promote optimal liver function. By enhancing the liver's ability to process and eliminate harmful substances, Papaya leaves contribute to overall wellness. If you're interested in natural detox methods, consider incorporating papaya leaves into your diet to support your body's natural cleansing processes and improve your health. In summary, papaya leaves offer a wealth of health benefits, from boosting immune function and aiding digestion to promoting skin health and supporting hair growth. Key takeaways include their rich nutrient profile and potential in natural detoxification. We encourage you to explore the benefits of incorporating papaya leaves into your diet for improved well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more informative content on natural health solutions.